It was on 0%, but I still made it to 100 by the time you walked out.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Well, hello there. Welcome or welcome back. My name is Julie, also known as the Frugal Mama. This is the Frugal Family. Let's go hit up some public school dumpsters. Frugal. Oh boy. Oh boy. Friends, today's dumpster diving adventure is very generously sponsored by Caydo. Stay tuned for more details. This is going to be a lot of fun. Oh, there's so much. Oh, God. Oh, God. I know some of you are going to say, oh, none of those markers will work. They're throwing them out. This is where we get all of our markers. And look at this, brand new. When they are retiring or moving, they throw away everything. Frugal friends, today's video is sponsored by Caydo, and they have very generously, and they have sent us something that I am really excited about. As someone with arthritis, all of you know by now that the Frugal Mama deals with arthritis. It's no fun, and I know a lot of you know exactly where I'm coming from, and you're dealing with it too. We have accepted that this is our lot in life, and myself, I try to make the very best of it, but I still want to craft and create and do fun things and express myself and make things. And if you're picking up what I'm putting down, which with arthritis I know can be very difficult, then this Caydo automatic bead spinner just might be the thing for you. It is not going to take away your arthritis or make any of that all better. It is just going to make creativity and creation a little more possible, a little more enjoyable, less work, less pain for you and for me. Let me show you. I wasn't even aware that there was such a thing as a bead spinner thing that would string your beads for you. This is so awesome. With arthritis, especially in your hands, it can become very difficult to hold on to things, to grip things. Trying to string beads for a bracelet and necklace, nigh unto impossible anymore for me. But check this little spinner out. It feels well made, with a good design, easy to use. It does not come with a plug adapter, which you guys know is one of my little that kind of thing, but it makes up for it. But it does make up for it a bit with the length of the cord. You guys know I am all about a long cord. It's just so much easier and more convenient, especially if you don't have plug outlets every possible place in your house. This was easy to set up using the instructions, and if the instructions are not enough for you, there is also a QR code linking to a really quick, easy video that shows you step by step how to set this up. And that was invaluable to me because I do struggle with some things. Not just because of the arthritis, but also because I'm not engineerily minded. That's not a word, but I'm gonna use it. Let's put this together. Let's see if we can make a fun little bracelet.
That's fantastic. Oh, I do get excited by simple things, but look at that. There they go. There they go. Oh, there they go. There they go. There they go. Look, there they go. All my little beads. I'm gonna have me a gorgeous, very like Easter spring themed bracelet right here. But of course, we could get many more different kinds of beads, all different fabulous kinds of beads. Ta-da!
Thank you, Caydo, for this fabulous bead spinner and for making creativity and creation a little bit easier, a little less painful, a lot more enjoyable for those of us who struggle with use of our hands. Now, let's get back to the dumpster dive.
Are you shocked yet? Almost. I just need the stuff from down here.
How many of these bags are we taking out?
All except this one and the one that we threw over there a little bit ago.
Which one is the one that we threw?
What?
Which one is the one that we threw?
It's under all those.
No, not this one.
And my battery is almost dead. What?
And my back compressor. The tiny bit of my ankles.
Yeah, and these are gonna be heavy.
So.
Almost. Yeah. Yeah. Did you? Why? Oh.
It was on 0%. But I still made it to 100 by the time you walked out.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Almost. We are so close.
And if you really need to, you can put the step ladder in there.
I know, everyone's always telling me to do that. What?
Haven't you done it before?
I think once, but I was like 80 pounds lighter than I am right now. Yeah, you're a good boy. Okay, that is gonna have to do.
Alright, let's get to the back so I can get in. Start stacking stuff for you.
Gotta be real careful stacking. I don't want to lose any of it.
So, I'm not taking this one, right?
No.
So, I'm going to stack the ones that we aren't doing first. You can hold that up. I don't know if I'll be able to get that out.
We can empty some of it once we yeah.
This one's the biggest, so.
Be careful, that stuff's gonna fall right out.
Is it still recording? Alright,
For like, we'll use the last couple minutes on it to try and do this.
Alright.
Do you want me to go ahead and try with this much? Maybe I should.
Yeah, turn it on its side. No, Mama. Turn it on its side so you can get up there.
I just don't want to lose the stuff. Okay, let me
Okay.
scoot back. And just make sure that doesn't fall. Nope.
Alright, good job.
Thank you, Reiki. Oh my God.
No, I'm giving you my hand.
Oh.
My hand, so.